Welcome to another video on inventory management, PO, and RFQs. So now that you have set up vendors already and you have selected them, the next step will be just specifying costs and quantity on hand. So I'm going to start it. I have no inventory at all, so I'm going to specify as quantity on hand 0. I'm going to just update the cost of the item for $1 at the moment, and we can get and start doing an order of long lead time components, for example. I can order these components up front, and you can do that directly from the catalog, creating a new order and adding, for example, some quantity to order. Okay. So we can just create an order directly on the catalog and then fulfill that order by submitting. So the order will have the quantity of components. I can click on Create Update Purchase Orders. This will create a PO to the vendor. So if I click on that button, Create PO, and you go into Purchase Orders, notice there's a new purchase order just created. So for online components, you can open it and you see the line there. From here, you can export this into a document like a PDF. Select just a few quantities, a few properties that you want to send, and export this into a PDF document. So this could be a very simple way that you just make this order. In this case, online components, you can just do the order obviously yourself online. So once you have received those, you can receive the PO. You can click on Receive PO, and this will increase the inventory back to OpenBOM quantity on hand. So if you go back and refresh this catalog, you'll see that the quantity on hand is already updated to 50. So we have marked that received from the vendor. So a very simple way to make orders directly on catalogs, on long lead times items. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.